Today we will discuss antimicrobial drugs and their side effects. Now we will start. Drug name tetracycline. Side effects are photosensitivity, tooth discoloration. Drug name fluoroquinolones. Side effects are tendon rupture, damage, lower seizure threshold. Aminoglycosides. Drug side effects are ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity. Penicillin class side effects are rashes, GI upset, hypersensitivity reactions. Ceftriaxone drug side effects are eosinophilia, thrombocytosis, elevated burn or liver enzymes. Vancomycin's common side effects are red man syndrome, nephrotoxicity, ototoxicity. Chloramphenicol side effects are gray baby syndromes, bone marrow suppressions. Macrolide side effects are QT prolongations, ototoxicity in high doses, and GI effect. Nitrofurantoin side effects are brown urine, pneumonitis, hemolytic anemia. Drug linezolid side effects are thrombocytopenia, peripheral neuropathy, serotonin syndrome. Trimethoprim side effects are hyperkalemia, skin rashes, megaloblastic anemia. Sulfamethoxazole side effects are allergic skin reaction, GI upset, appetite loss. Clofazimine side effects are brown, pink skin discoloration, itch, skin rashes. Isoniazid drug side effects are vitamin B6 deficiency, peripheral neuropathy, hepatotoxicity. Rifampicin side effects are hepatotoxicity, red, orange, sweat, urine, and tears. Dapsone side effects are hepatotoxicity, skin rashes, headache, hemolysis. Drug ethambutol side effects are red, green color blindness, optic neuritis, hyperuricemia. Metronidazole side effects are brown urine, metallistic taste, peripheral neuropathy. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.